Hello, this is Jordan Pochocki with Jackie Cooper Nissan. I'm going to show you how to pair your Bluetooth on your 2018 Nissan Rogue. What you'll want to do is, if you have an iPhone or really any other phone, you'll want to go to Settings. And if you have an Android, other than just conform to everyone else on an Apple phone, you'll find Settings, you'll find Bluetooth. Or if you have a Motorola Razr, it's the exact same thing. You'll want to go to the Bluetooth devices, and then in your menu, we'll go to Settings. Go to Connections, and defaults to Bluetooth. We'll add new, and your device will be searching for the Rogue Bluetooth hands-free device, which will be my Rogue. You'll select that. Make sure the pin matches. In the instance when someone near you is pairing their Bluetooth as well, you want to make sure you pair it to your correct vehicle. Allow your contacts to sync with the car, and it'll prompt up here your iPhone, or what you have, your default name for your iPhone will list up here, and it'll download your phone book and contacts, and then before you know it, you'll be ready to roll and be able to manage incoming, outgoing calls on your phone. Thank you. Give me a call if you've got any questions. You can reach me at 918-392-9822 at Jackie Cooper Nissan in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Bye.